everybody, Christina here, and in today's video I'm going to go through some empties. So I have some skincare empties and some hair care empties to share with you. And I really like sharing empties because it gives me an opportunity to really tell you what I think about a product after I've completely used it up. So I am going to start with some skincare empties and then jump to hair care empties. And so let's just get into it. Okay, so summer recently ended, sad face. But so what I used up was this Beauty 360 Sunless Glow Firming Day Lotion. So this is supposed to be like this is the CVS brand, by the way, and this compares to the Jergens Natural Glow Moisturizer. So first thing I'll say about this is that I hate the smell of it. Like, I don't understand why in 2018 we cannot have sunless tanning lotion, things like this that do not have that awful smell to it. It's just, I can't. But other than that, I do think it works well to provide kind of a nice, very light tan. I did use the fair to medium, so it's not a very strong one, but even with that, if you have any dry patches, it can cling to those, just like a regular self-tanner can. But it says that it also helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. I don't know if it's really doing all that much, but I mean, will I buy this again? Probably. I'm just hoping that they can fix the smell because that's the part that is really killing me. Okay, so something that does smell good is this Victoria's Secret lotion that I finished up. This is their Dream of Love Frosted Pear and Sugar Woods. And to be honest, I was really surprised about this because I don't really think Victoria's Secret as like, you know, skincare and things like that. I know they have their line of things, but this actually moisturized really well. And I'm surprised by this. I got this, you know, for Christmas or birthday. Like, someone had given this to me. It might have even come in a set of something. But not only did it smell really good, but it actually moisturized well. And I mean, their lotion's kind of expensive, so I don't know if I would go out and purchase it again, but I'd be really happy if someone gave it to me. Or occasionally I get like gift cards and I don't really know what to buy because I don't need like super fancy bras and things like that. So I might purchase this again. We shall see. Another thing that was pretty good smelling was this hemp lotion. I know because the bottle is clear, you can't really see this, but this was their pomegranate one, and it says it's to hydrate and renew, and it uses hemp seed oil, so it does have a good amount of moisturizing to it. So I really did enjoy this. I've seen some other people talk about this hemp line, so if you are into this a little more all-natural thing, I know it's not 100% all-natural, but it is nice. And then, because I have super dry skin, I had been using this Amlactin Restoring Body Lotion. So this is a very thick lotion that really provides a lot of moisturization. So it says that it gently exfoliates with 3 essential ceramides to strengthen the skin's protective moisture barrier. So this obviously is a little more of an expensive drugstore type lotion, but I really did like this and I definitely would purchase it again. Although I would probably try out like the CVS or Walgreens like knockoff brand of this just to see if it works just as well because, you know, gotta save a couple extra bucks. Okay, moving on to hair care. So I finished this Pantene Pro V Volume Silicone-Free Shampoo. This was okay. I mean, I have volume issues with my hair. It's something that I struggle with majorly, and I don't think that this really provided that much volume to my hair. I haven't found too many things that really do, although I am using this OGX Biotin shampoo right now, and I think that really helps. So while this was a good shampoo, I don't think I would buy this again because it wasn't anything better than any kind of regular run-of-the-mill shampoo that you could get. Then I had a trial of this Garnier Fructis avocado hair mask thing. So you can use it as a 1-minute mask, as a conditioner, or as a leave-in. And I believe that I used it as a conditioner, and it is very conditioning. So that's really nice. I mean, if you look at the back here, which obviously I know you can't see, but it goes through a whole bunch of their ingredients and where they come from. So it's got a lot of oils in it: coconut oil, shea nut, olive, soybean, sunflower, I said coconut already, avocado, grape, you know, all these things. So, and also it's going through because it's 98% naturally derived. I mean, that doesn't get me that much, because what people don't understand is that so many bad for you things are also naturally derived, like cyanide. Cyanide is obviously something not that you want, but it is naturally derived. So just because something's naturally derived doesn't necessarily mean good for you. But I mean, I know they're trying to, you know, appeal to us. So this was good. It was a very good conditioning mask, or conditioner, I guess, in my sense. I don't know if I'd buy it again, because I don't find it any better than anything else that I've used, but it was good. So it's not something I would not buy again. I just don't know if I'm going to run out and buy it right now. Something that, spoiler alert, I do not recommend is this Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. So I have dry skin, and that includes the skin on my scalp, and I like to exfoliate that. So I was really excited when I had gotten this in an Ipsy bag, and I was like, great, it's gonna be super exfoliating and everything like that. And honestly, I don't think it did much in the exfoliating department. So, I mean, and Briogeo is an expensive brand. So for me, it's not something I would go out and buy. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was a decent shampoo. I mean, was it any better than this Pantene shampoo? I don't really think so. So is it worth the money? In my opinion, no. I know people love Briogeo, but I have not yet found a product from them that I am in love with. And then the last 3 things I have for you are dry shampoos. So first is the Suave Keratin Dry Shampoo. And this worked out really well. It was a great dry shampoo, did exactly what it said it would do. I mean, the keratin infusion part of it, I mean, I don't think it, you know, added anything extra to my hair. But this is a good price shampoo, dry shampoo, find it easily, and I would definitely repurchase this again. The next one I have is this Batiste dry shampoo. So this is another one that you can find in drugstores, and this one happens to be the blush floral and okay, Christina, let's slow it down. Floral and fruity blush scent. And this actually did smell really nice, and it was one of those things that, like, you smelled it but it didn't like linger in your hair. So it's not, if that's what you were looking for, you're not really going to get for this, but it's a nice smell initially. What I liked about this, and actually all the ones that I'm going to show you, is that I didn't notice any white cast on my hair, which is really important considering I have pretty dark hair. So, I mean, I think this definitely worked well. I would definitely buy it again, but the Suave worked just as well, and it's, you know, a couple bucks cheaper, so. And then another one is the Chlorine Dry Shampoo, and this one is the dry shampoo with oat milk, and it's supposed to be gentle on your hair. I don't really know what that's really doing here, but again, worked very well. I really enjoyed it. Probably would not buy it again, only because it's really expensive, but if it was cheaper, I would definitely buy it again, because it is something that worked out really well and really, you know, conditioned, or not conditioned, but got rid of the gunk, you know, in my hair and the oils and things like that. So anyway, that is a little collection of my empties. If you've tried out any of these and you like them or don't like them, I would love to hear about that in the comments below. It really means a lot to me when you comment, give it a thumbs up, or even just when you watch these videos. It means so much to me. Obviously, I am a teeny tiny small channel, so any exposure that I can get is really great. And the fact that you're taking a couple minutes out of your day to watch this video really means a lot to me. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more from me, please subscribe so you can see what other things I'm up to. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.